If you're in the market for a powerful and versatile kitchen tool, this MegaWise stainless steel titanium reinforced 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is an option that stands out. This immersion blender promises not only the convenience of a handheld device, also the power and precision of a high-end countertop blender. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and overall value of this blender, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your kitchen needs. The MegaWise Immersion Hand Blender is designed with both functionality and durability in mind. The sleek black exterior, accented with stainless steel, gives it a modern and professional appearance. The blender feels solid and well-built in hand, which is a crucial factor considering the power it packs. The use of titanium-reinforced blades is a significant upgrade over traditional stainless steel blades, offering superior sharpness and longevity. This is especially important for those who use their blenders frequently or for tough tasks. The ergonomic handle is another standout feature, providing a comfortable grip that makes the blender easy to maneuver, even during extended use. The buttons are well placed, allowing for easy operation with one hand. The overall design of the MegaWise blender is thoughtful and user-friendly, ensuring that it's not only effective, but also a pleasure to use. At the core of the MegaWise Immersion Blender is a robust 400-watt motor, which can reach a peak power of 1,000 watts. This level of power is impressive for an immersion blender, making it capable of handling a wide range of tasks from blending smoothies to pureeing soups and even chopping nuts. The motor operates quietly, but doesn't compromise on performance, providing a smooth and consistent blending experience every time. The 12-speed settings, combined with a turbo boost function, offer incredible versatility. Whether you need a gentle stir for delicate ingredients or a high-speed blend for tougher items, the MegaWise blender can handle it all. The ability to gradually increase speed is a thoughtful touch, allowing for greater control over the blending process and helping to prevent splatters or messes. One of the key features of this blender is its titanium-reinforced crossblades. These blades are not only sharper than standard stainless steel blades, but are also more durable, resisting wear and tear over time. This makes the MegaWise blender particularly well-suited for tasks like making baby food, where smooth and consistent blending is essential. The MegaWise Immersion Blender is a 3-in-1 device, meaning it comes with 3 different attachments: a blending arm, a whisk, and a milk frother. Each attachment is designed to extend the functionality of the blender, making it a versatile tool that can replace several kitchen gadgets. Blending arm. Primary attachment is the blending arm, which is perfect for creating smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. The titanium-reinforced blades ensure that even tough ingredients are blended smoothly and efficiently. Whisk attachment. The whisk attachment is ideal for tasks like whipping cream, beating eggs, or mixing batters. It's a great tool for bakers or anyone who enjoys making desserts at home, providing consistent results every time. Milk frother. The milk frother attachment is a fantastic addition for coffee lovers. It froths milk quickly and efficiently, allowing you to create cafe-quality lattes and cappuccinos at home. The frother can also be used to froth other liquids, like cream or egg whites, making it a versatile tool in its own right. This range of attachments makes the MegaWise blender a true multitasker in the kitchen, capable of handling a wide variety of tasks with ease. One of the most significant advantages of the MegaWise Immersion Blender is its ease of use. The ergonomic handle and well-placed controls make it easy to operate, even for those who may not be particularly tech-savvy. Switching between attachments is a breeze, with each attachment snapping securely into place. Cleaning the MegaWise blender is just as easy as using it. The attachments are all dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a simple task. Stainless steel and titanium construction means that the blades won't rust or corrode, even after repeated washing. The motor unit can be wiped down with a damp cloth, ensuring that the blender stays in top condition with minimal effort. In real-world kitchen tests, MegaWise Immersion Blender performs exceptionally well. A powerful motor and sharp blades make quick work of blending tasks. Whether you're making a smoothie, pureeing a soup, or emulsifying a sauce, the multiple speed settings allow for precise control, ensuring that you get the perfect texture every time. The whisk and frother attachments are equally impressive. The whisk attachment produces light and airy whipped cream in minutes, while the frother creates a rich, creamy foam that's perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. The versatility of this blender makes it a valuable tool for any home cook, whether you're an experienced chef or just starting out. Considering its powerful motor, durable construction, and range of attachments, the MegaWise Immersion Blender offers excellent value for money. It's affordably priced, yet it includes features and performance levels that are often found in more expensive models. 3-in-1 design means you're getting multiple tools in one, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen equipment. Conclusion: the MegaWise stainless steel titanium reinforced 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool, sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Its robust motor, multiple speed settings, and range of attachments make it suitable for a wide variety of tasks, from blending smoothies to frothing milk. The ergonomic design and ease of cleaning further enhance its appeal, making it a practical and valuable addition to any home. Whether you're looking to replace an old blender or add a new tool to your kitchen arsenal, the MegaWise Immersion Blender is an option well worth considering. It combines power, precision, and convenience in a sleek and stylish package, offering excellent performance at an affordable price. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.